morning. I'm trying this camera out again. I tried it before, but I set the mode on D-Log because I wanted to try like color grading and all that good stuff. But I underestimated the amount of work it takes to do that. So now I have it back on auto settings. And yeah, this is my second attempt on making a vlog with this camera. But this time the settings are easier to deal with because I totally underestimated the D-Log. And I was trying to color grade it on Final Cut Pro and it was not doing what I imagined it to do. So I was like, okay, let's go back to auto settings and just do what I know for now. And then later on, maybe I'll learn how to color grade better. Food. This is the bangus with 2 eggs and garlic rice. This is his chicken sandwich. Tater tots. It's good. But I like the chicken sandwich that you got last time. So this is brown sugar, chicken latte. This is pandan coffee. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's good, but the coffee flavor for the brown shaken latte is too strong. I'm not a coffee person, so if I taste the coffee and it's too strong, it's hard for me to drink it. But if I tasted the brown sugar more, then I probably would enjoy it more. Let's try the pandan. I can taste the pandan on that one. I can taste the coffee too, but it's like an equal balance. Brown sugar, chicken latte, it's just coffee. I don't even taste the brown sugar coffee. I like this one between the two. I like the pandan coffee. Just because I like having that balanced flavors. And I'm not a coffee person, so I don't like tasting the coffee too much.
This one's made with whole milk.
Oh yeah, it's made with whole milk, so lactose people can't drink it. Unless you get like, was it oat milk or almond milk? Can we switch? I want this one.
I want one still.
Okay, let me try this again. Yeah, like it's not bad, it's good. It's just, if you like coffee or not. But I don't really like coffee like that. Just finished getting ready for today. I have dance class tonight, and right now I'm gonna go get some food. Probably gonna do Filipino food again. Yeah, I think that sounds good. Just wearing a black top today that I got a long time ago from, where was this from? I think it's from Fashion Q. And then this one, I got this from Ross. It's very, very soft and comfy. So I ended up getting Shanghai Silo. We drove out here again because I really want Filipino food.
And I got the today's special plate. This is a tinga taco, carne asada, and 2 quesadilla taco.
Hey, Hanny. So I'm back home and I did some work after I got food earlier. Now I'm having my meal, Cajun shrimp and rice that Joe prepared for me because I have practice later. While I'm eating right now, this is what I'm watching. Does anyone know what K-drama this is from? It's so old. Any guesses? Comment down below. Okay, I'm gonna say it. It's from Dream High. So I'm going to work now. Now you know. 언제까지 바보같이 더 많이 쓸 거야. Get your crayon. Get your crayon. This is the studio that I do makeup, and I'm about to use this studio as well to do my esthetician services. I'm in the works with the owner of the studio, kind of revamp the space, because before it was like this color everywhere. It was just too dark. There's not enough light, so I convinced them to kind of like brighten it up a little bit. This is how it looks like here. This is gonna be my esthetician room. So I'm very excited how that's gonna look like. I'm actually gonna come back here tomorrow and we're gonna lime wash this wall. I'm gonna set up now. Talk to you guys later. I'm out here at the studio and our team. Fully dry, right? Yeah. Show them how to lime wash, Tina. Just like that. This is how the wall looks like right now.
good time.